Welcome back to TV5 News at 9. It's time now for Medical Moments with Covenant Healthcare. Joining us this morning is Barb Laking. Thank you so much for speaking with us.
Thanks so much for having me.
So today we are talking about Covenant's Fastcare service. First, tell us what that is.
So our Fastcare service is something that we are able to offer in addition to our 5 urgent cares. The Fastcare clinic is just a little bit different. It offers the same quality care, the same medical professionals, but we don't have x-ray services on site. And because it isn't classified as a true urgent care, we're able to offer that in a little bit of a less expensive format. Your office copay visit applies versus an urgent care copay visit. And for those of us that don't have insurance or have a high deductible plan, we're able to offer a flat fee of $69. So a lot of times it's a less expensive option for people as well.
No, that is really good to know because I feel like a lot of people may not know what the difference is. So tell us, what types of illnesses should people go to a Fastcare for?
So for the most part at Fastcare, we see a lot of the things that are pretty simple and easy to treat. We'll see a lot of kids that come in with pink eye and earaches or childhood rashes. And then for adults, we see a lot of bladder infections or urinary tract infections, some minor skin burns or irritations, same kind of thing, rashes. We see cold sores. We're able to do flu shots, tuberculosis or TB skin tests. And since we all got the news that fall sports is going to be able to happen in some way this year, we also are able to do sports physicals for kids in middle school and high school.
That is really important. And I know that we kind of spoke about it earlier, but how much does Fastcare cost? Let's talk about it again.
Yep, like I said, Fastcare is a lot of times a less expensive option, especially if you're someone who does not have healthcare insurance or if you have a high deductible plan. The flat fee of $69 includes the visit and any tests that we're able to do on site. And then for those of you who do have healthcare coverage, your office copay visit applies. So it would be the same cost as if you go to your family doctor. We're just open a little bit later than family doctors are and on the weekends.
So let's talk about that testing. You mentioned the flu shot and tuberculosis. What other type of testing do they offer?
Sure. I did say that adults come to us a lot of times for bladder infections. We are able to run a urinalysis test on the spot. We can also do mononucleosis tests on the spot as well. And then we do offer pregnancy testing if we need that to help diagnose what's going on as well.
And if people want to give Fastcare at Meyer a try, where can they find it in the store?
So we're located in the Tidwassie Road Meyer right here in Saginaw, and the home entrance, or the one that's closest to the pharmacy, is our closest entrance. And if you go through the doors and take a left, we're right there on the left-hand side.
And for those people who've never tried Fastcare before, I know that I have, but what should they know when they go in?
So the same kinds of requirements is in terms of masking and social distancing apply as does in any of our other clinics. So we will ask you to have a mask on while you're being seen, and then we try our best to maintain social distancing in our lobby as well. So we may have you wait in your car or wait right outside on the bench inside of Meyer, but we're also doing the same kind of cleaning and sanitation as we are at all of our other clinics. So that's just a good reminder for anybody during this this time in our lives that, you know, masks and social distancing are the #1 way to help prevent the spread of any infection, let alone coronavirus.
Well, thank you so much, Barb, for speaking with us this morning and telling us all about what a Fastcare service is.
Thanks for having me. You guys have a nice day.
You as well. And if you would like any more additional information on today's topic, you can just head on over to the hot links page on WNEM.com.